Introduction. Timing is important. Timing is important in every aspect of life like singing, dancing, cooking, etc. Technical traders not only earn for a living but are also still standing after a market's crash. About this book, technical analysis industry is blooming. That means it is growing rapidly. If we type term technical analysis in a internet search engine, we get 206 million responses, which is more than 4 times of 2 years ago, which means term technical analysis is growing throughout the years. The phrase support and resistance is 5 times as compared to last 2 years. As compared to last 2 years, term support and resistance is 5 times today. In this book, I include core concepts which you can apply today without any further research. So this book is a little short, so you can apply these concepts for demo trading without any further research. Market doesn't know you, your age, gender, singing talent, etc. Market is blind. Market uh, considers only one thing, that if you are a good trader or not. Otherwise it is blind. The point of technical analysis is to help you observe prices in a new way and to make trading decisions based on reasonable expectations about where the market is going to take the price. That means the point of technical analysis is to uh, change your perception about market by dealing with indicators, dealing with charts, etc. So you can uh, think it, think about market in a different perspective. So that is the point of technical analysis, is to help you doing that. You have to realize that it's not security that counts, it is the trade. That means if you are willing to invest a large amount of your hard earned money and you want to invest it in market, don't do that. It is not the how much amount you invest, it is how well you are trading, how good you are at trading, that counts. Each trade has two parts, the price analysis and you. That means price analysis and you refers to your perception about price analysis. So each trade has two parts, the price analysis, that means your price analysis, and you means your perception. So these are two parts. Then foolish assumptions. There are few assumptions, there can be few assumptions while reading this book. The first one is which you may have, a lot of people have these assumptions. So first assumption is you are planning to put money into a security and intend not to lose it. That means your intention is you will that I am investing money in any security and never going to lose that. So that is not possible. You will make profit eventually, but someday you will lose, someday you will win. At sometimes trades will be in your favor, and sometimes they will be not. So this is first assumption. So this is not possible to not lose anything in market, you have to lose something. Then second, you have experienced some setbacks in market and need an approach to make money back. So that means you have some bitter experiences with market. That means you want something revenge from market, that I will earn all that money back. So that can be your assumption. So that assumption is not useful, because this is foolish. Don't come with a such kind of approach. Market is not easy place to make money. So this assumption is also foolish. Then third assumption, you want to know whether technical analysis has any basis in reason and logic, or all technical analysts are correct, are crackpots. That means you are finding something reason or logic, logical reasoning or uh, cognitive kind of patterns, and like mathematics. If you are considering technical analysis like that, then that is also a useless or foolish assumption. So these are three assumptions. Then before starting, you have to remember few things. So before starting, figuring out how to trade technically is a journey of self discovery. Luckily, it's a journey with a lot of fellow travelers to keep you a company. That means it is a self discovering process. That means you have to practice a lot, and you have to be confident about what you are doing. That means by practice you will know few things. So it is journey of self discovery also. So before starting, you should keep in mind that you have to practice a lot. That's it.